This year we've been fortunate enough to bring both M25 and M24 to the Australian Centre for Sports Aerodynamics wind tunnel. Wind tunnels are crucial in understanding and validating high downforce aero packages that work in a vast range of attitudes. With this testing, we are hoping to validate our designs and tune our CFD model in order to build a more accurate foundation for our future packages.
Day one, we start off by setting up our steel frame which connects the car to the 6-axis load cell underneath the wind tunnel. This is able to measure forces in all directions and moments. Then we set up our false floor, which shields the steel frame from any flow that might interact with it, whilst also restarting the boundary layer for the car to sit on. Once we've set up the platform, we put M25 in the tunnel. First without any aero, and then slowly adding each element to see how they contribute and work together well.
On day 2, we started by measuring the static pressure under our front and rear wings. This was achieved by using custom pressure taps attached to their bottom skin. From that data, we could generate pressure plots to measure and validate our CFD. We later did some DRS actuation and tested the cooling fans on the effects on our rear wing.
Day 3 at the wind tunnel, we did some runs with the wheel covers on to match our CFD and influence future wheel designs. We also tested some rake locations, tracking the Y300 and front wing dive plane vortices. Next, we utilised flow visualisation using smoke to help validate flow structures around key areas of M25. We finished the day using a multi-hole probe on a traverse rake, measuring velocity components of the rear wing wake.
On the final day, it was M24's turn in the wind tunnel. We utilised the same pressure tapped front and rear wings from the last time we visited the Monash wind tunnel in 2022. This will allow us to compare results as well as draw conclusions in our CFD model with car geometric independence and apply the newfound knowledge to M25 and future cars.